Okay, all this is a Roomba i7, and I just wanted to post this as a quick fix because it stopped working the other day, and it was saying the bin is full, and the bin wasn't full, and it was saying clean out the lower bin, and that thing kept needing to be cleared out. So it was obviously some sort of occlusion in the mechanism that routes the trash from the mobile device into the standing device. So this is what happens. This is where the stuff is sucked in, and this is the flap that is pulled open by the massive amount of suction. And it lets all the stuff out of here, goes up and through here, and goes up into here. Problem was, again, it wasn't working. So what I did was I took this little $2 thing I got at Harbor Freight. Let me show you the whole thing. And I jammed it up in here. Okay, what this does is, by the way, it's got a claw foot. So I got this to clean out a gutter. It actually worked. But shove that up in there, and then open your claw foot and bring it out, and it came out with a bunch of nastiness. Then I went up here and pulled this out and did the same thing. Shove this down in here. And open the claw foot and pull it out. And of course it's clean now because I fixed it, but it came out with a cat full of hair. And so now, put this back on, and my Roomba i7 is ready to roll, and then apparently it's got some work to do. Thought that would be useful for you. Take care.